properly set a table for a formal event? If so, you're on the right station. Stay tuned on table setting. You will need the following materials to set up a proper place setting. You'll need a plate, knife, spoon, dessert spoon, dinner fork, salad fork, cup, and a napkin. After gathering all your materials, you need to make certain that everything is clean. No one likes to eat off a dirty plate, so we'll use a clean one. Here's an example of a clean plate. Notice how there is nothing on it, just straight clean. Whereas a dirty plate might have leftover food from your dinner before or even lunch. It's kind of gross. So we're going to use the clean plate instead. After making certain that all dishes are clean, the first item that is placed will be the plate. The plate will be placed on the table in the center of the place setting. All the other utensils will be placed around it. It should be approximately 1 inch from the end of the table. Next, the knife will go onto the table. If you take a look at the knife, the rough edges, right here, should be placed towards the plate. The bottoms should line up along with the plate, which is also approximately 1 inch from the end of the table. The spoon comes next. The spoon is placed to the right of the knife and should overlay just a little bit onto the knife. After that comes the main fork. The main fork is a little bit taller than the dessert fork. As you can see here, the height difference. This is the main dish fork and this is the salad fork. The main dish fork, or the longer fork, is placed to the left of the plate, approximately 1 inch from the end of the table also. After that comes the salad fork, which is placed to the dinner fork. This should just slightly touch each other. After that comes the dessert spoon, which goes to the top of the plate. It doesn't matter if it's facing to the right or to the left, as long as the whole table is in uniform. Next comes the cup. The cup can be placed in 2 ways, either right on top of the knife, like so, or a little to the right, just depending on your preference. Lastly comes the napkin. Now, the napkin can be folded in any way that you would like. In this case, it is called the triangle fold. You place it on the plate like so. And this is the correct way to set a place setting. Now that you've properly learned how to set up a table like so, you get to enjoy your meal.